In this video, we want to talk about Coinbase, and with Trump leading in the polls for this year's presidential election, and with the announcement of J.D. Vance as potential vice president who is pro-crypto, Coinbase could be a stock that will catch fire going into November. Now, if we scroll to the daily chart, a couple things you will notice is you have price action forming an impulse move higher, a pullback, impulse move higher, pullback, and I'm predicting that the next move is going to be an impulse move higher. Scrolling out to the weekly chart, price as it formed an impulse move higher created a weekly buyer's level at $170. Taking out what was support resistance is now support once again. And so we got the bump as predicted. However, prices has just been range bound. Now one can say that this is just a bull flag. And so price is just doing what price does. I do want to point out to you why price did pull back from this 280 level. If you scroll to the left, you can see that was previous support in the past. Now I do have two targets. Again, one was at 280, which it did hit, and we got the expected pullback. The next larger target is going to be at the $400 level, and that is near all-time highs at $430. Will we get there this year? Well, if Bitcoin hits 100,000 before the end of the year, potentially we do get that. We do get to $400 before the end of the year. Now, if Trump wins in November, yes, I anticipate taking out all-time highs. Without further ado, let's get into the news. So whether we like it or not, politics plays into how the stock market performs. The differences in an economic policy platforms provided by President Joe Biden and Republican nominee former President Donald Trump are vast. Coinbase, for example, is seeing significant upside following the bad news that happened this past week. Nevertheless, that was good for Coinbase as it surged more than 10%. Of the two candidates who are likely to be on the ballot in November, Trump's stated stance on the crypto sector is much more bullish for investors. He's even talking at the Bitcoin conference coming up in Nashville. Now, accordingly, as Trump's chances of re-election rise, so too do the hopes of crypto investors. Today's move in Coinbase and other crypto-related stock appears to be tied directly to expectations that Trump will be the likely winner of the upcoming elections. Trump himself has already looked to appease crypto investors by accepting donations in various top cryptos. His view is that this space is tied to innovation more than it is to scams. So he's definitely getting and knows how to get votes. And now he does have the crypto vote, which is going to increase his odds, in my opinion, of him sitting in the White House next year. And if Joe Biden continues to veto certain bills, crypto-related bills, that's just hurting Joe Biden's chances. What do you think? Is Coinbase on your radar? Is Coinbase a buy? Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and please like the video.